Hello guys, welcome to Chant Busters. In today's video, we will talk about some amazing manufacturing processes, so sit tight till the end. Number 6. Production of twist drills. Drill bits are attachments you fasten to drilling tools. A taper point drill narrows to point so the threads of the screw grab the wood. A countersink makes the top of the hole the same diameter as the screw head so that the head lies flush or below the surface. Number 5. Grinding and cutting wheels manufacturing process. A grinding wheel is a tool used to grind down polished or cut material such as metal or glass. Like a sander, it uses abrasive grains to wear away the surface in minute particles. Grinding actually sharpens the wheel by breaking those grains and creating new sharp points. A grinding wheel is made from several chemical and mineral ingredients. The formula varies according to what the wheel will be intended to grind, polish, or cut for metal work. They use abrasives that are aluminum oxide based for cutting cement, stone, and other non-metal objects. They use abrasives that are silicone, carbide based. Even within those two categories, the formula differs between, say, a wheel designed for hard steel versus one designed for soft steel. Number 3. Golf ball production. High-performance golf balls are really hard to make. Only a couple of major brands are controlling all of the world's market. They are using this position to earn huge profits by selling golf balls at really high prices. Weiss is completely changing this. Weiss is the first brand in the world that manufactures high-performance golf balls and sells them directly to the customer for a fair price. This is what's mainly inside of a golf ball: rubber. They mix it up with other chemicals to make a hot batter and then cool it between two huge steel drums. The rolled up rubbery sheets are pushed into a rubber extruder, which forces the rubber into a die. It now resembles large marshmallows, which are called slugs. The slugs vary in color and mixture depending on the type of core manufactured. The slugs are sent to a compression mold machine. The bottom part of the mold presses to the top part, applying more than 1 ton of pressure. The slugs are shaped and baked at the same time. The slugs bake at 167 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The slug now has transformed to a solid golf ball core. After the cores have been molded, we then aftertreat them, abrading surfaces so they will accept the casing layer, which is molded over the top of those. Each of the cores, whether it's the Pro Plus, or the Tour model, is grown to a precise dimension. After that, the casing layer is molded on top of that. The casing layer is also grown to a precise thickness and outer diameter before we apply the mantle layer on top of it. Cast urethane balls are not injection molded. These balls are cast with a unique urethane elastomer cover. This very complex casting process makes one of the best performing urethane balls in the industry. An important process step for cast urethane balls is that the cover adheres to the Surlyn casing layer underneath it. The balls then run into a bin, which funnels them to a golf ball elevator, which brings them to an automatic miller. This removes little pieces of leftover ball shells and all excess of Surlyn urethane. Robotic arms now carry silicone pads to a laser-engraved steel plate. The pads soak up the ink from the plate and transfer the laser imprint to the balls. Next, an automated machine sprays the balls with polyurethane while they rotate on top of spindles. The polyurethane protects the ink logos that are stamped on the balls and also is the key to perfecting the ball performance. Robotic arms carry the wet golf balls to a drying rack where they cook at 66 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Number 2. Surgical glove manufacturing. The 105-year-old company is one of the leading glove-making companies in the industry. First, glove molds go to a hot water wash, then to an alkaline wash for removing any inorganic materials like dust or oils. Then the molds go through a vigorous brushing that will clean the surface and area between fingers. The molds go between a coagulant dip and then to the coagulant oven for drying the solution. Later, this solution will act as an imparting agent during the glove stripping. After drying, the molds go through a latex dip. The dipping time determines the thickness of the gloves. Gloves go through a latex gel oven to cure the latex dip. After drying, the gloves go through a leaching process to eliminate the chemical and biological residues. This process improves the quality of the gloves. Then comes the prime dip and prime oven to strengthen the gloves. After drying, the prime dip gloves moves to the printing station to print manufacturing date and the glove size. After printing process, gloves go through a beading station, and after that, vulcanization that uses different series of ovens to cure gloves. This process increases glove strength and elasticity. After that, gloves go through a slurry dip solution. This process prevents gloves from sticking inside after stripping inversion. After the process, gloves go through a final oven for drying the slurry, after which the molds go to a manual stripping station to remove gloves from the molds. Number 1. Brush Making Machine. This amazing machine is Oval. The Oval is a truly revolutionary machine in so many aspects. Very universal with 5-axis CNC control, continuously drilling and filling for higher output, a very quick and easy to fill handle feed conveyor, electronic trimming by means of servometers, and excellent accessibility for changeover and maintenance. The operator workspace is kept compact with a well thought out layout which adds to the overall efficiency and safety of the machine. This machine inserts 1,200 tufts per minute. The number of carriages available allows for manufacturing all different types of brooms and brushes for the household industry, including toilet brushes, Swedish-type dish brushes, and Indian double hockey brushes. It is also possible to produce some personal care brushes, such as flat and round hair brushes. Well, that's it in today's video. Hope you like it, and please press the bell icon so you can get the new video notifications.